So, do you want to see something new? Yes, many of you moan that I don't bring you anything new anymore. So here's something new. We found something yesterday which you guys are going to love. And this is down for jailbreaking your Fire Stick, your Android TV. Yes, you don't need to say it. I know it's not jailbreaking. We know it's side loading or pretty much just turning on a setting so you can install applications onto your device. But we use the term jailbreak because we try and educate as many people as we can, because that is one of the highest search terms, and we will get this video to more people so we can show them this great tip and advice. So we found a site, and this site is going to change the game on how you can install apps or find apps on your streaming device. Yes, that's right. And it's going to make it easier for you to get what you want, because literally you can type the app you're after. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So before I actually demonstrate it, the site we have found is called, well, I assume you pronounce it App Loader. There's no E in it. App Load and a backwards R. App Loader. Literally, you can type in there what app you're after, and it will search the internet, and it will give you all the download links. Not the website links or anything like that, just the apps. For example, you see here it's got a few demonstrations. So for example, if you clicked MX Player, we will click MX Player, and it will come back with us, and it will come back with loads of results on downloading MX Player, and you just click them. And I'm going to show you, because what I saw at the bottom of the web page was a downloader code, 4207212. If anyone who's ahead of me wants to try it. The link to the website is also underneath as well. So what we can do is, on our streaming device, we can go to Downloader. And once we're on Downloader, we can also check it out and see what apps we can find. You can literally type any app in there. I know I demonstrated with a player, but you can type any of your third-party apps in there as well. This is also, I've linked it up into Firesend for those who use Firesend. The room is App Loader without the E. You'll see it on the screen now. And the downloader room is on the screen there for you as well now. So let's walk through it. First, you're going to do then, if you want to get these apps on your device, you're going to go to your magnifying glass if you're on a Fire Stick, or to your app store on another device, and just search Downloader. Downloader. You're going to click that, and you install it, okay? If it's your first time installing it, you will need to turn on permissions to install from unknown sources. I will show you that later in the video. But for now, once we've got it installed, we're going to open it. Make sure you accept the permissions when you open it. And then we're going to go to that downloader room we just saw. And then we're going to type 4207212. I'm going to click Next. And that will load through to that App Loader website. And there we go. And we are through. VPN active. If yours isn't active, it will try and advise you to get a VPN. Obviously, you can get from them, but I prefer it if you got from one of my links from directly underneath. So, once you're on here, you can either click one of the recommended links, or you just click here, and you can type in any app you are looking for. Obviously, some start like that. You know, certain things I don't really want to put in this search engine. Let me put in an app which we know we find. Let's put Kodi in. You click Next. And what you'll see is doing the search for us. And underneath, we've got all the different Kodis. And it'll tell you the version codes, 21.2, 21.3, 21.1. You can actually scan them if you want to, if you're worried about anything. So you can click the scan button, and that will load you through to the virus total for it. And there we go. No warnings on that app itself. Nice little touch that is. And then you can go down, and you can click on any of these, and whichever one you wanted to install, you can acquire the APK, download initiated, and there we go. That is downloading. It was that simple to find an app. You didn't have to browse websites, search websites. This is it. And if you look at the bottom of the web page, which we noticed yesterday when we were trying testing this out, on here, right down the bottom here, there's an Amazon icon, and there's a Google Play icon here. You won't be able to see that there. There you go, here. There. I'm hoping, because there's nothing in them at the moment, so I'm hoping they've got plans to put an app in store with this, because that would make life even easier. So you can literally type anything in there. We've just downloaded Kodi version in there. Just from doing that, I'm going to cancel that one. And delete. And delete. And that was all from a website. Free to use. Didn't have to browse websites or anything like that. It's good for using everywhere, to be fair. Let me just swap back. Go there. Nope, let's go there. I enjoyed testing it out on the web page. The website is very good when I'm looking for new apps to install. The main thing is cutting out. However, it says multi-source APK search that learns every search expands the catalogue. There's a catalogue at the top there. Don't really know what that means. Must be in the background. System status online, app loader. But if not, if you don't want to use that, obviously there's downloader code 75726, which is my website. Now, for those who need to turn on the install from unknown sources part, if yours wasn't working because of it, what you need to do is go to settings, go to My Fire TV, click on developer options. If you do not have developer options, click where it says about, and you're going to click the top option 7 times, and that will create and make you a developer. Okay. Once you've done that, go back one screen, click on developer options, click on install unknown apps, and you're going to turn it on for downloader. On. You would also want to turn it on for Firesend if you're using Firesend. Okay. Any application which installs things onto your device, this needs to be turned on for. Then, when you're in your downloader app, that will go on there and check out that new code. And the new code, let me just repeat it. I did write it down. 4207212. Brilliant. Enjoy that one. Hopefully that's a good one for you. And until then, make sure you hit follow, and we'll do another one tomorrow.